Hello friends, welcome to a fresh new episode of my channel RG Innovations, where we get to learn new electronics ideas every day. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button and select all to get all notifications of my future video uploads. In my previous two videos, I have shown about AND gate, the description of an AND gate and a 2-input AND gate and a 3-input AND gate using 7411 IC. In today's video also, I am going to show you CD4073, which is a 333 input AND gate and its practical demo. In this video, I am not going to discuss about what is AND gate. I'll give a link to my previous video in the description, you can check it. In today's video, I'll show only the demo of the CD4073 IC. Just let us have a quick look on the truth table of a 3-input AND gate. This is a symbol of a 3-input AND gate where W, X, Y are input and Z is the output. Z equal to W, X, Y. It means logical multiplication between W, X and Y. If we have a quick look at the truth table, we can see input is W, X, Y and output is Z. All the outputs are 0 when any of the input is 0. And when all the inputs are 1, the output is 1. So in case of AND gate, the output is only 1 when all the inputs are 1. This is the truth table of a 3-input AND gate. Now we will have a look at the schematic of the IC CD4073. As I have mentioned, it is a 333 input AND gate. So here are 3 AND gates: AND gate number 1, AND gate number 2, AND gate number 3. And AND gate number 1 have input pin 3, 4 and 5 and output is pin number 6. In our practical demo, we will use this segment only. And 2 other AND gates are there where input is pin number 1, 2 and 8 and output is 9. And another is pin number 11, 12, 13 input and 10 is the output. Pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to positive power supply. So this is the schematic. Now let us have a look at the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram where we are using CD4073 IC. This is it. And we have used pin number 14 to connect to positive power supply, pin number 7 to negative power supply, and we are using pin number 3, 4 and 5 to the input section. In the input section, we have used 3 switches, switch A, switch B and switch C, which will provide the input to this IC. When we press the switch, this will indicate a high state, and when we release the switch, it will indicate a low state. We have connected 3 LEDs with these switches to indicate the status of the input. If the input is high, the LED will glow, and if the input is low, these LEDs will not glow. And from pin number 6, we have connected one LED via a current limiting resistance. This LED will also show the output status. When the output is high, this LED will glow, and when the output is low, this LED will not glow. So this is the circuit. Now let us move to the practical demo of CD4073 IC. So here you can see the IC CD4073. This is a 3-input AND gate IC. It's a 14-pin IC. You can see the notch at the left side, and from the left side of the notch we start counting the pins. So pin number 1 to pin number 7 and pin number 8 to pin number 14. Pin number 14 will be connected to positive power supply and pin number 7 is connected to negative power supply or ground. And in this IC there are 3 triple input AND gates. So we will work with only one segment of the AND gate, that is pin number 3, 4, 5 input and pin number 6 output. Let us move on to the prototype of the 3-input AND gate circuit. Here we have built the circuit on a breadboard. We have not put the IC yet, we will put the IC later. Let me first show you what is in this circuit. Here are 3 switches which will act as the input of the IC. This is input A, input B and input C. And these 3 LEDs are connected with the switch. When we press the switch, the LEDs will turn on, and when we turn off the switch, the LEDs will not glow. So when the LEDs glow, that implements its input 1, and when the LEDs does not glow, it indicates that the input is 0. And here we have connected a red LED that indicates the output. When it glows, the output is 1. When it does not glow, the output is 0. These 3 are the pull down resistances that we have shown in the circuit. And this is the current limiting resistor for the output LED. This is the current limiting resistor for the input LED. Now let's put the IC on the breadboard. This is the 4073 IC and we are putting it on the breadboard. Now let's connect the power supply. This is the negative power supply. We are giving it 5-volt power supply, and this will be connected to the positive power supply. Initially, all the switches are in off position. So there is no input. All the input are in low status or 0. So output is also low. And now we will match it with the truth table of the 3-input AND gate. So 0, 0, 0 input is output 0. 0, 0, 1 is output 0. 0, 1, 0 output 0. 0 1 1 output 0, 1 0 0 is output 0, 1 0 1 output 0, 1 1 0 is output 0, 1 1 1 is output 1. So you can see only when all the inputs are high or all the inputs are 1, the output is high or the output is 1. And when any of the input is low or any of the input is 0, then output is also low or 0. So this satisfies the truth table of a 3-input AND gate, and this was the practical demo of the IC CD4073. In this video, up to this, in our next video, we will see the practical demo of 4-input AND gates. So till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice time, thank you.